Today I got a little project going on. We're going to be taking off the BMW factory exhaust. Try to get this bike a bit louder. And I got this little pipe here. Found it on the internet, saw some videos of the sound. It's a KO Lightning Chinesium pipe, if you will. So we're going to put that on and see what she sounds like. Alright, so here's the completed install. Pretty easy. One bolt pulling where the exhaust is hung, and then you slide the pipe off. And so right now it has the DB killer is in. So we'll give it a start. What I'm going to do now is take the DB killer out and see what it sounds like without it. Alright, so I got the DB killer out. There's the pipe. So let's see what she sounds like. Pretty damn loud. All the dogs are barking. It's fucking maybe too loud. I don't know. I think I'm gonna maybe put the DB killer back in. It's pretty loud.